you got a new bike, huh? With that said, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to install a fork stem phone mount. Very universal mount, multiple different brands. Pick whichever one you feel best. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you find it helpful, do me a favor, hit that like, maybe even subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. That way you can stay up to date with the channel. So with that said, let's go ahead and get right into the video. I thought this nut was like something you didn't want to take out, but I'll show you here in a second. I thought this connected a bunch of stuff, but it really doesn't. It literally just threads in that much into nothing. Just threads into itself. So we are going to be just fine. Okay, so this is what the kit comes with. It comes with your phone holder, right? The way that this works is it's got a button in the middle, so once you push your phone in and it presses on the button, it closes onto your phone. Then to release it, pretty simple, right? So we'll set that aside. It's got this little, it's basically what holds it onto the ball here. So we'll get to that in a minute. This is the other main piece here. Now this kit, I believe this one fits 12 to 18 millimeter fork stem holes, and then it comes with another one right here. So it comes with this adapter to make it fit, I believe, 18 to 24 millimeter holes. So like I said, pretty universal. Whatever size you got, it'll pretty much work. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and take this apart. Careful to not lose this washer right here. Okay, so we'll set that aside. Now we're left with this, and as you can see, there's an Allen key in there, right? So we're basically just going to push it into the tube here, right? And then we're going to take our Allen key wherever I put it. Okay, so we're going to take our Allen key, insert that, and basically just start tightening it. Get her nice and tight. That's about as tight as it's going to go without this spinning. Okay, so now we're going to take this. Like I said, don't lose your washer. We're going to thread that in. And this kit does come with the tools to do this. It came with that Allen wrench, so that's really nice. And it also comes with this little wrench right here. So we're just going to go ahead and crank that down, get it nice and snug. Okay, it's, you know, kind of a design flaw that we can't hold on to this while we're turning this, because then it all just kind of spins within here, but it's not like it's going to come out or anything. So now we're going to take this, we're going to spin this off, and like you can see, it sits on the ball right there. So with this flat side down, we're going to slip it over the ball. We're going to push our mount on. It's going to pop onto the ball, and then we're going to come underneath and thread that onto those threads. And that will lock it on. Get her nice and tight. Okay, so, you know, tilt it to where it's not gonna hit the tank when you turn. So the only another little design flaw is if you have your phone in here to start with, you can't really get your key in. You have to turn it. So I guess you just got to put your key in before. Okay, so now if we stand the bike up, you just kind of center it, right? Tilt it where you need. And then, yeah, that's basically it. So we'll set that back down. We're going to take the key out. Kind of a pain in the butt, but it's not the end of the world. At least you can have a place to stick your phone. Okay, so with the arms out, now you can take your phone, slip it in, tuck it into the bottom, press down, and then kind of just let it shrink onto your phone. So that's perfect. All right, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Like I said, it's a pretty universal style mount, so it's super simple. So you know, if you like the video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to see more how-tos and awesome content on this sexy bike and this nice STI. So with that said, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.